Cartesian paper is made up of what?
Bravo! Squares is the answer. Capacitor is a device used to dash. On track. Store electrical energy is the correct answer.
The point angle of center punches.
Correct response. 0.6 is the most accurate answer. Circles are usually drawn by using. Well done. Drawing is the right choice. What type of line is circled here? Good thinking. Hidden is the right answer. Which is a form of drawing we use? Right again. All of the above is a valid answer. Orthographic is a shining picture. Correct. Perpendicular image is the right answer. What is an orthographic painting? Excellent choice. Two-dimensional paintings is the right answer. Name the line X shown in figure. Well picked. Hidden line construction line is the correct answer. This type of hatching is used for. Nice work. You chose iron metals and it is correct. Engineering drawing is a form of. You got it? Your choice communication is right. Which is a type of section view? Solid response. Removed is a valid choice. A half-section view is used with. Clear logic. Your choice symmetrical parts is sound and 100% true. What is course learning outcome? Nicely done. Learning outcomes every semester is a solid answer. CAD is an abbreviation for dash. Nice selection. Computer-aided design is the correct and valid answer. What does this symbol represent? Sharp thinking. Angularity is the right choice. Loose uses are also called dash. Perfect. Clearance fit is the correct choice. Scaling objects make them dash. Excellent. Either bigger and smaller is a brilliant choice. Give the types of filing used. Valid point. Physical and electronic is true. A French curve is used to draw. Smart pick. Smooth free-form curve is the correct choice. Which one is the softest lead? Strong choice. Love is the right answer. Hardness of pencils at maximum. Right choice. Correct is the best answer. The meaning of symbol shown is. Exactly. Surface can be machined makes sense, and it is right choice. Maximum softness of pencil at. You're right. Love is the correct answer. Largest size in drawing sheet. Great thinking. Azul is the right choice. To measure angles, we use the. Good job. Your answer protractor works well here. What is a location in space? You chose point, and it is correct. Which one is bigger in size? Well reasoned. A zoo is the correct choice. A perpendicular view is dash. Smart move. Orthographic is an accurate answer. What is the expansion of BIS? Great job. Bureau of Indian Standards is the accurate answer. Engineering drawings include. Nicely done. All the above is a solid answer. The size of a 4-drawing sheet. Well done. 200x297 is the right choice. What is the meaning of CISC?
Great thinking. Countersunk is the right choice.
We can draw the arc by dash. Clear logic. Your choice, start and radius, is sound and 100% true. Polyline behave like a dash.
On track. Single object is the correct answer.
How are hidden lines drawn?
Sharp thinking. Dark dashed line is the right choice.
The full form of RF is rough. Nice work. You chose representative factor, and it is correct.
How are object lines drawn?
Bravo. Dark solid line is the answer.
Is the name full for BOM?
You got it? Your choice bill of material is right. Is the abbreviation for CAD.
Great job. Computer-aided design is the accurate answer.
Identify the following rive.
Strong choice. Snap head is the right answer.
The isometric projection of
30 bases of 1/2 is true. What view does the US use?
Good job. Your answer and offer works well here.
A drafter helps in drawing.
Well reasoned. Parallel and perpendicular lines is the correct choice. AutoCAD remove in the year. Correct response. 1980 is the most accurate answer.
Which is 3 standard view.
You're right. Top front side is the correct answer. What does CAD stand for? Good thinking. Computer-aided design is the right answer. Sci-line is also known as? Excellent. Reference line is a brilliant choice. A2 sheet size dimension. You chose 420x594 and it is correct. What is extension line?
Smart pick. Setting line is the correct choice.
Which is a 3D drawing. Nice selection. Isometric is the correct and valid answer. Which one is not media? Right choice. Clear holder is the best answer. The maximum length is?
Right again. 5500 is a valid answer.
RAL depiction is?
Correct. Pictorial drawing is the right answer.
The unit of RF is?
Perfect. None of these is the correct choice.
1 hectare equal to? Exactly. 10,000 amp makes sense and it is right choice.
A plane is? Excellent choice. 2-dimensional object is the right answer.
A scale of?
Well picked. 40 cms is the correct answer.
A plot of?
Smart move. 2023 6 cm is an accurate answer.
If the?
Solid response. None of these is a valid choice.
How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? Right again. Contact Narayan Changda is a valid answer.